Welcome to a unique jungle adventure. Welcome to the Rain Goddess. The Rain Goddess is a most modern equipped, specially adapted houseboat in a class all by itself. Our base is the Rain Goddess, but we are also accompanied by several smaller skiffs serving as our daytime fishing vessels. A trip on the Rain Goddess is oftentimes an exploratory adventure into the unknown. Our journey begins in the northern Caribbean zone of Costa Rica, traveling up pristine rivers and tributaries where very few fishermen have ventured before us. We will be heading into virgin territory and more or less charting our own courses, searching for the best fishing grounds. Leading the crew of the Rain Goddess is an experienced local captain who was raised on these waters. There are no roads here. Dugout canoes and small motorboats are the sole means of transportation. Dr. Alfredo Lopez, a medical doctor and avid sportsman, is the owner of the Rain Goddess and is our guide and fishing expert on the trip.
It's a bar, but right now it's closed to the ocean. And hopefully in tomorrow night we'll come up here and do that animal shoot. For friends, if we get out early today, we might even do it today. Get that out of the way.
Where's the tarpon hatch?
This is a map of the jungles of Nicaragua. We've been in here. We've come from Rio Colorado, which is not on this map. That's where we caught our first tarpon the first 3 days. Came up the river. We came into the San Juan River here.
From the Rio Colorado.
Right, and we came down along the border river until we reached the Caribbean Sea. We made customs and presented our permits here in Greytown, what used to be known as San Juan del Norte. That's where we've anchored the last couple of nights. That's where we fished them out for the San Juan for the tarpon yesterday and the other fish we've caught. Then we've come up this morning, since before daybreak, up the Indian River, which is right in the heart of the jungle. Yeah, but it goes along the coast. It's only less than a quarter mile of thickness, and it's all coconut plantations. Right now we're anchored here. This is where Spanish Creek, which is this creek coming here, comes in.
We are now planning to enter territory that no fishermen have ever entered before us, truly virgin fishing grounds. An excursion on the Rain Goddess will offer an experience of a lifetime, as well as memories that will last forever. Please join us. Enter our world of fishing adventure. Travel first class with us aboard the Rain Goddess, and come as we live and play for a short time in a brand new world.